Ladies and gentlemen, Cryptomercy, hope you're well and welcome on my channel. Thanks for supporting it and hope you had a wonderful Christmas time. Hope everyone is healthy. And before we go over the Elrond chart, just want to show you this is one of the advantage that you will find by joining my channel, The All. You can go on the shop and you have a different choice to join us on Telegram, but you will also have access to many information inside your accounts. And you can see this is the live chart, and I'm providing my charts for many projects. And now we're going to go over the Elrond one, and I'm going to show you this subcounts that I'm having right now with Elrond, and we're going to try to find together correlations and the most probable targets. Now this WXYZ is pretty much is looking pretty much like an impulse down, but subcount are a little bit more fucked up, and they don't agree with the rules of an impulse down. It's why this is my favorite pick right now. But you will see that even if this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, that there is not any difference in the way we're going to use Fibonacci and to try to find the most probable targets. Now we're going to take our trend-based Fib extension tool. We're going to click one time on top, one time on the W, and one time on the top of X, and you will see that we just reached the first possible target for this Y wave right inside the X. And we also have the 123 here that is available at 156.21, and we have a 97 here. That is another possibility, and we're gonna try to find if we can get any correlations with structural supports, Fib retracement tool, and many other things. But for now, we want to try to figure out if we can detect a divergence on the daily chart. Let's take a look at this, if we can get a reversal. Now, candles are confirming a continuation on the downside, but still nothing yet on the daily. Let's take a look on the 12 hours, and we are starting to see some, flag. Bullish divergence on lower time frames are beginning to flag, which we are probably close, very near a reversal for a rally, little rally, or a big rally on the upside. Okay, now we're gonna stay inside this chart, no, I'm gonna bring the other one. This was gonna be easier for you to understand. And I'm gonna erase all this here, and we're gonna go over the monthly chart, and we're gonna place our fibs to be able to figure out the most probable targets. Now you remember, and I'm gonna go over this before, when I post a video on YouTube at that point here, when we were going back in April, May, around $200, and I said to everyone, it's a trap, it's a B wave, get out, very dangerous. And I told people to buy around 95, 76, 56, and 41 at that time, because our fibs, my fibs were already ready at that time. And I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna take the candle body close right here, a series of Twizzler bottom here, and the ultimate top right here of this right there. This was a B wave top, and let's go. And you're gonna see that it was correlating with the 0.618 right here around 95, 94, and 0.764 around 60. If you take the lowest point on this retracement right here on this the wicks ultimate bottom, you will see, you know, 56 zone was very nice, and 41. I remember talking about 41, and remember when I made that video that a lot of subscribers were people that were listening to my video were throwing me some tomatoes because I was anticipating this trap because I was subcounting everything and I knew where were my B wave fibs, and I'm just gonna bring them back. Not the good one, sorry. There we go. I'm gonna go on the daily, it's gonna be easier to see. From this top and this bottom right here, was placing my B waves fibs. Let's go on the other side and reverse this, all right. And the 0.618 was, targeted at 203, and I called that, and many subscribers came to the howl after that and sent me messages to say, oh, Mr. Mercy, we were not believing what you were saying, I'm sorry, but this is the way it's working. You gotta be careful, you gotta watch different things to the RSI. If price is going back up but the RSI doesn't follow at all, you need to be careful because it's a warning that it's a fake out and probably a B wave. All right, now what we want to do is to grab because right here you need to understand that this is now confirmed as a wave 2, main wave 2, and for that let's go on the ultimate top right here, and we're gonna reach and grab every bottom. I'm gonna show you where we can find any correlations. Okay, let's grab this here, but I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna grab a Twizzlers bottom to be sure we cannot miss our entries. I'm gonna go on a monthly chart, and I'm gonna adjust this and bring that to the Twizzlers bottom here, Twizzlers bottom, and if we can find this one right here, Twizzlers bottom. All right, now let's come back and let's try to find the biggest correlation that we can get. Okay, and just want to show you we break the 0.618, and it's the equivalency of the $95 here at this retracement. It used to be on the long term a very nice place to buy, but I was subcounting and not recommending to buy the 0.618 right here, and we had a confirmation because that we were inside a wave 2, because we closed two candles under the golden fib, which was for me a confirmation that we are inside a wave 2 and not a wave 4, because 0.618 are the ultimate retracement fib, is the ultimate retracement fib for a wave 4. All right, hope you are following me. Now there is a bunch of fibs, I know, and but by combining structural supports and higher time frame supports, monthly, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months support, we will try to find if we can get any good correlations. Now this zone is starting to be very interesting, and we have the 0.854 right here. And we have the 0.786 at a 188.65. But I'm gonna show you that this zone is pretty interesting in the sense that we are having structural support that is very promising too. Okay, those green zones are beginning to be, are correlating are correlating and providing lots of supports. This is what Mr. Fibonacci is saying. Now, you must understand that this zone can be a very nice reversal zone for a little rally on the upside, and maybe a retest of right here. I'm going to show you, sorry, the 0.618 resistance now. All right, it is possible that we're going to get a rally back to those fibs from here. If we want to try to add the ultimate support, structural support, you're going to see here that we are having a resistance on the 12 months, and we are looking to find tweezers. And those tweezers are structural support by nature, are very, very important. Support or resistance on the other side. And we don't want to miss any one of them, to be sure. Now, I'm not going to play in that zone, but there is a couple here. We never know what can happen. Is it possible that we can go back to $20, $7? It is a possibility because we are inside a main wave 2 full retracement, but for me, cryptos that are inside the top 50 in market cap, I don't use to listen to those fibs 0.9 and 0.95. That's why we're gonna take them out. They are, trading is all about probabilities, and those fibs are a very low probable scenario. It's why I'm not gonna take care of them right now. We have this resistance right here. Just don't want to miss any one. And on the monthly, we are gonna try to fix and try to find where they are. Here we go. And I'm not gonna play with the 2 weeks and weekly and lower time frame support, even if the 2 weeks and weekly can see some kind of bounce back, and they can provide reversals. But I'm just gonna focus on higher time frame. And remember, higher time frame, stronger is the confirmation. And now you can see that 184, 186 is beginning to be very, very interesting right here. And we have 155 that, is kind of alone, but we should not forget that it is the 123 fib of this Y wave. It's why we should had we have to consider this 0.854 right here for sure, and the ultimate 0.786 at 126 is on the long run a possibility. Also, this one right here at 140 is a possibility. 169 is going to be a very, very strong support too. And, those are possible targets that you can use. But now inside my subcount, I'm not seeing right now that we are going to go lower than 95, 96. This is the lowest point I'm getting in. Anyway, if this is a fucked up impulse on the downside, I have to add the 261.8 right here, but you will see that doesn't make any sense. It's why this 161.8 for me is the last possible Elrond target. If something happen, yes, we can have some kind of wick that can go lower to grab the liquidity here. Quick wick that can grab everything right there. But this will be my last buying zone. Most probable zones are here, the 0.786 and this one here are my two last probable zones. All right, but you need to understand that if you are taking a look at the structure, This is the right shoulders here, and we can see this is the neckline. Oops, sorry. All right, this is the neckline right here. And at the moment we broke that neckline, we came much lower. Now we want to try to figure out, and you can see here we add, and I call that on the how to my members. I said this is a descending channel, and the descending channel triangle is sorry, not a descending channel, a descending triangle, which means we are creating lower high and have bounce at the same place. And it's why those white lines are very important. They are monthly structural support or higher time frame supports, but 38 was that zone here was very, very strong and old for probably a month. But it was a question of time that we will go lower, and I was telling that to my subscribers, be careful. At the moment that this floor will break, we will go lower. And also we have this pole. We can take the bodies or wick to wick, but this pole is saying that we're gonna visit probably 160, 159. This is what I'm seeing. Now I'm not considering this full wick on the upside right here, which is kind of extreme. But if you want to take this and break and bring this at the seizure point where we broke this floor, you can see that 109 is something that is available, which means market makers, if they want to test this zone right here at the 0.786 ultimate, which is the most favorite wave 2 retracement fib for Elrond and many altcoins. This is those fibs are very, very important. Hope you like, guys. If you have any question, leave me a comment. Hope you are liking this video. Anyway, join us on the how, and all the information are under the description. And we have a growing community with now we have a DAO, in which and we have now an investment group. We are preparing for the next steps for the DAO, the HAL DAO investment groups, and join us. You will meet a lot of very nice people, and you will enjoy. And on that, I wish you a very, very, very good day and a very nice weekend, and see you on the next episode. All right, cheers, bye. Love you, everyone.